was the son of a pizza man.
Hey guys, welcome to SonofaPizzaMan. My name is Enzo, and today we're doing a giveaway. Yay! So basically, I have some stuff to give to you guys for free. All you need to do is enter and subscribe, and I'll get into that later on. But let's get into what I'm giving away. So before I get into it, please remember to subscribe below. That would be awesome. I would love you forever and ever and ever. Thank you. So the first thing I'm giving away is this book called Pizza, A Slice of American History by Liz Barrett. So it's essentially a history book on pizza. It's really cool. It's chock full of pictures. Lots of pictures. There's even recipes in here, which is awesome. So yeah, free book. So the next thing I have is from a company called Slice is Right. It's a pizza reheater. So it's meant for leftover pizza slices. So you preheat your oven, you stick a slice on this guy, and you stick it in the oven, and it cooks it, reheats it beautifully. So this part protects the crust from overcooking and getting all kinds of burnt and crusty and gross. And then the holes are for ventilation to keep the bottom nice and crispy. So yeah, it's a really cool product. Never, ever, ever reheat your pizza in the microwave. That's your PSA for today. What would a pizza giveaway be without actual pizza? So here I have some pizza crust by Pastorelli. They're like kind of like bobbly, like pre-made crust. You just slap on some sauce and cheese and stick it in the oven. You're good to go. I also have a little tin of pizza sauce for you if you want. So yeah, Pastorelli. And the last thing I'm giving away is some clothing by Dwight's Animal Apparel. So their whole thing is that they create clothing for humans and their partners. So they're really cute. I first saw this print on Scott Wiener a while ago, and I was like, I love the way that looks, and I reached out to them, and they were kind enough to give us some samples. So this is the human version. It's a small white t-shirt with this awesome print on it. It's just adorable, and it's actually kind of raised a little bit, so it's really cool. So if you're small, I'm sorry if you're not, but that's all I have. So, and then for your companion, we have this pink little cute little matching little outfit. So this is made for small animals. I don't know what small means in the animal world, but small dogs, cats, whatever else you like to put clothes on. So it's really cute. So yeah. So those are the giveaways. To enter, all you need to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and then go over onto Instagram and follow me. And then I'm going to post this guy on Instagram, and all you need to do is like it. So just do those three things and you're entered. I'm going to be pulling, the contest is going to end on March 16th. And I'm going to announce the winner on the 18th of March. The only restriction, I guess, is that you must be a US resident. Thank you guys, as always, for watching, and I appreciate you so much. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe below. Hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. If you want to hit me up, you can hit me up in the comments below, or hit me up on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And until next time, ciao for now.
The only one who could ever need me was the son of a pizza man.